Alright, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today I am out on the 50-year-old 1973 Honda C90. If you looked at my last upload, you would have seen it was something a little bit different. It was an unboxing of a new laptop, a high-spec laptop, which means I should, in theory, now be able to do some 4K videos onto YouTube. A bit of a sticky throttle there. Yes, so today I thought I'd get the C90 out and go and try and do a little bit of 4K ride footage. So if you like that kind of stuff, and stick around and stay tuned. Here we go. 3 gears of slowness. Second gear. Come on. Third gear. Right. Get to it. So if this video does actually make it up to YouTube, then I guess the 4K footage is okay. Let me know if you like the C90 videos and if you want to see more stuff on the C90, because it's quite fun to ride. It is a little bit temperamental, to be honest, but it's fun. Oh, am I already in top gear? Can't be. Maybe I am. Yeah, and for the creators out there, if you want to see what kind of footage, what kind of video editing stuff I'm using and what kind of software I'm using to make the thumbnails and stuff, let me know if you're interested in that. I might do a couple of videos on that now as well. Right, here we go. Nobody behind. I think the battery's about flat, and every time I indicate, it turns the bloody engine off. Alright, let's go down here. This is the kind of stuff you want to be riding on the C90, not the main roads. Come on, little donkey, what you got? There we go. Yes, I've got some more stuff coming up on the channel as well. I've got some travel videos coming up. Obviously I'll do some more videos on the KTM 790 as well. So I am trying to get back into YouTube more frequently, so if you're not subscribed and you like the bike stuff, give that subscribe button a little push, and that'll give me some more motivation to get out and make some more videos. Oh, here we go. Sharp one. There we go. They always say, don't they, that riding a small bike to its limits is more fun than riding a big bike and just tootling along at like 20% of what it can do. And that's true. I've had a full license for ages. I've had lots and lots of big bikes, but these little C90s are still mega fun. The gap between second and third is so big as well. You really have to make it scream, otherwise third is just like too low revs. You can't do anything with it. Right, then give it some beans. You give it some beans and it just doesn't do anything for ages. It just makes more noise. That's it. There we go. You do proper quick shift action. Because if you take ages to shift as well, the revs drop, and then third gear won't pull you up the hill. Ridge Lane, this is a good one. I've never been down here on the C90, so we'll see what it's like. Going to look in my non-existent mirrors. Alright then. Ooh. Jesus Christ. Oh, it feels proper sketchy going this fast on a C90. I mean, do 40 as well. Oh, it's bouncing all over the place. Those rear shocks just literally kicking me all over the shop. Oh, oh. Hey. This is quite steep downhill as well. I'm not sure if the GoPro's going to pick up the gradient of the road, but it's pretty scary. Ooh. Oh, there we go. There we go. We're at the end of Ridge Lane now. Oh, come on, down a gear. There we go. Right, I might go up here. There's a nice little road up here. I might see if I can get some nice photos. My Instagram link will be in the description if you want to see. But yeah, I think I'm going to leave it there, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Cheers. Oh, this is good. Come on, come on. Oh, it's struggling. It's struggling. Come on. Oh, there we go. We made it. We made it.